The PotterFun virus, also known as PotterFun ransomware, is a type of ransomware, which encrypts files on your computer and demands a ransom to decrypt them. If your system is infected with this malware, it's important to act quickly and carefully to try and remove it. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you remove the PotterFun virus. 1. Isolate the infected computer. 1. Disconnect the infected machine from the internet to prevent further spread or communication with the attacker's server. 2. If you have other devices connected to the same network, disconnect them as well. 2. Boot into safe mode. Booting into safe mode can help prevent the ransomware from running on startup and allow you to remove it more easily. 1. For Windows. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Press F8, or Shift plus F8, during boot to enter advanced boot options. 3. Select safe mode with networking. 2. For Windows 10 11s. 1. Press and hold the Shift key, then click Restart from the Start menu or the Login screen. 2. In the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. 3. After the restart, select Safe Mode with networking. 3. Run a malware scan. 1. Use a reputable antivirus, anti-malware tool, such as Malwarebytes, Hitman Pro, or Windows Defender, to scan and clean your system. Download and install the tool, if it's not already installed, while in safe mode with networking. Perform a full system scan and allow the software to remove any detected threats. Update and patch your system. 1. Update your operating system and software to the latest versions to patch any security vulnerabilities that could have been exploited by the ransomware. 2. Enable automatic updates to ensure that you receive future security patches. 7. Consider professional help if you are unable to remove the PotterFun virus or recover your files. Consider contacting a professional cybersecurity expert or a tech support service for assistance. 8. Future prevention. 1. Install and update antivirus software to provide real-time protection against malware. 2. Be cautious with email attachments, downloads, and links, as ransomware is often spread via phishing emails. 3. Enable regular backups to protect your data in case of future infections. Removing ransomware and recovering from it can be complicated, so it's important to be cautious and avoid paying the ransom, as there is no guarantee that the attackers will decrypt your files even after payment.